Okay guys, so in this video I will let you know how you can hack a website through the file upload vulnerability, right? So I will let you know what is the vulnerability, file upload vulnerability with the practical, right? So basically I will let you know in the Linux window, right? So we will first we generate a backdoor, then upload that generated backdoor into the target website. Then we will try to connect this, and the tool is Weevely, which we use to hack the targeted site, right? So you can see here I have two machine here. One is Kali Linux. This is the my machine, or we can say attacker machine. The second machine is Metasploitable 2 machine. So uh, this is the like targeted website or targeted machine, we can say, right? So if you here, so this I'm in my Linux machine here. So if you open browser and type this IP, so this is my Metasploit IP, right? So when I am typing this IP, so I'm getting 5 website here. So I will practical on dvwa, right? So dvwa username and password is admin, and password is password, right? So through that you can log in that site, right? So now I will, if you so okay show security, we will, there are 3 type of security in this type, like how low, medium, high. So first we will start with low, then we will go for the medium, then high, right? So this time I'm putting this low and file upload. So here I will try to upload my backdoor, right? And my backdoor on this targeted site. Then we will try to connect that backdoor. So you can use that your own target website if you testing that, or you can create your testing purpose server here. For example, I have created. So how I created, I have already in my past lecture already configure that, or already let you know how we can configure this machine. So if you don't know, so please go to the my last or past lecture, so you will get an idea how I configure that, right? So now for first I generate the backdoor. So first process is that we will generate the backdoor. So open my terminal. So tool is Weevely, through which we will generate the backdoor. So I will type here Weevely, Weevely generate, generate, and password, we have to give a password 12345 6, for example, and enter. So what is say the error folding on path? Oh, I have to also give the path on which path I have to store. So path is root in my root directory, and name is shell shell.php, right? So enter. So I have created this PHP shell to, this is the backdoor. If you use the ls, so you can see here, yes, this is the shell PHP here. So what, for easy path, I will copy that into the desktop. So I have copied that on desktop. So this is our backdoor here, and now we will upload that onto the target site. So what was our target site? Our target site is dvwa. You can see here. If you are not able to, I will make this bigger. So this is the target site. So first I upload that shell into the target. So browse and shell.php I have select, then upload. So now you can see here our shell is successfully updated. So I will copy this path. You have to also copy that. If I copy that and open into the new tab and the new address bar within dvwa. If you enter here, you will get cell php page here, and this page have nothing like in on UI. So we have confirmed that our backdoor is upload onto the target site. Now through the command we will try to connect that. So this is our terminal here. So what I do, I am trying to connect that our backdoor Weevely and the path where is our backdoor. So copy that path and put that into the terminal, paste, and password which we have given on to the creation time. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, if you enter, so we will connect with the our backdoor. So I'm entering. So here we are able to connect our backdoor. So now we I am in Linux machine here, and I am able to hack or access the server files. Like if I use the ls command, so you can see I am able to all php, all login, all other files whatever they upload onto the server. So that means I have hacked the, you can also see here, this is the IP. So I have hacked this system through our backdoor. So right, so through that way we can hack the uh, any web server or any website. So this is in a low priority security. So in my next video I will let you know if the in on a website if security is medium, so how we can hack that. So in this video that's all, and you can visit my another video to hack the website or web pen testing purpose. So thank you everyone.